Hello travelers, welcome to your next vacation. Today we visit Vermont. The Green Mountain State is known for its stunning landscapes, charming small towns, and outdoor adventures. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 places you need to visit in Vermont. Let's dive in. Number 5 is the Shelburn Museum. This unique open-air museum in Shelburne covers over 45 acres and showcases American art, history, and design. From historic buildings to impressive art collections, it's a perfect spot for history buffs and art lovers alike. At number 4, we have the town of Stowe, a year-round destination for outdoor enthusiasts. In the winter, hit the slopes at Stowe Mountain Resort, and in the warmer months, enjoy hiking, mountain biking, or the famous Stowe Recreation Path. Plus, the fall foliage here is absolutely breathtaking. Coming in at number 3 is the Ben & Jerry's factory in Waterbury. If you love ice cream, this place is a must. You can take a tour to see how their iconic ice cream is made, and of course, taste some delicious flavors. Don't forget to visit the Flavor Graveyard for a quirky look at their retired flavors. At number 2, we have the Church Street Marketplace in Burlington. This open-air pedestrian mall is packed with local shops, restaurants, and live entertainment. Whether you're shopping for Vermont-made goods or grabbing a bite, Church Street is the heart of Burlington's culture and a great spot to spend the day. And finally, our number 1 spot goes to the Green Mountain National Forest. This natural gem covers over 400,000 acres, offering endless opportunities for hiking, camping, and wildlife viewing. No matter the season, this forest is perfect for those looking to reconnect with nature and explore Vermont's pristine wilderness. So, there you have it, 5 amazing places to visit in Vermont. Whether you're a history lover, an outdoor adventurer, or just looking for some delicious ice cream, Vermont has something for everyone. Be sure to like and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures.